What's going on, Casey? What color are you wearing today?
Red.
Do you know why you're wearing red? It's Valentine's Day. You know, Valentine's Day, people get candy and kisses, but you ain't got no girlfriend, do you? No?
In my church.
Okay. Well, what color's your tractor?
Red.
What color's Daddy wearing?
Red.
That's right, we're wearing red for Valentine's Day. Guys, welcome to episode number 25. This is our Valentine's Day edition. We're gonna have a lot of fun today, so stay tuned. Jason, it is Valentine's Day, and let's go check the mailbox and see if we got anything in the mail. You want to go?
Yeah.
All right, take off toward the mailbox. Jason, you think we got anything in the mailbox? Huh? All right, let's go over here to the mailbox real quick. Don't ever cross the road without Daddy or Mama. Okay. Casey, you see something?
Yeah.
Oh, let's get back across the road and see what it says. Casey, it has your name on it. See what it says. Let me get it out here. Oh, it's a note. Says, Happy Valentine's Day, Casey. There is a hidden treat in the trails. You want to go to the trails and see if we can find the hidden treat? You ready to go? All right, we're gonna go find it, guys. We're on the way to find something in the trails, guys. Woo-hoo! Come on, Casey. Where's he going? Casey, look! What is that? What is that, Casey?
Mushroom.
Huh? Is it candy? And another note? You show us the candy. Alright. Hang on just a second, we'll read the note. Did you get some candy? Give me 5. Happy Valentine's Day, buddy. What else did we find? Another note? Let's see what it says. It says, wow, candy, I hope you like it. There is a red hidden item in the trail. Can you find it? It is red. So Casey, when you're driving through the trails, you need to be looking for something red. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's take back off here. Casey, let's go this way. This way. Back up. Let's go that way. Let's go see if there's anything over there. Oh man. Where's he headed? Oh man. We're looking through the trails. Here he comes. We're still looking, guys, trying to find something red in the trails. Casey, do you think it might be this way? Look, what, do you see anything red?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep looking. Something red. Oh man, we're on the new trail. We're still looking, guys. Whoa! Did you find something?
Yeah.
What is that? Show me.
Mama, new too.
What is it?
You know.
Candy?
Eat.
You want to eat it?
Nah.
Not right now? What about later?
Why?
Okay. We'll eat it later. Hey, we've got to keep going and see if we find something else red, okay? Hey, buddy. We've got to find something red. Do you have your eyes peeled and looking real hard? All right, keep looking and let's keep going. Oh! Crashed. Keep going. Casey, keep looking. Casey. Hey, Casey. Whoa, whoa, Casey, look. Casey. Hey, Casey. Back up. Back up, dude. I found something. Come here. I think it's something you're going to want to see. Come here, buddy. Hey, I think I found what the note was talking about. Do you see it?
No.
No? Keep looking. Hey, look over here. What is that, Kason?
My new Rara.
Your new ride? That's right. If we can get it out of there, it is red, just like Valentine's Day. I think if we could get it out of there, we could. It looks like it's missing some parts, but maybe it'll work. You wanna get the sticks off of it and see?
Yeah.
Okay. Kason, are we gonna be able to get all these sticks off this thing? Here, let's see if we can pull some off. Oh man, there's a big old stick, Kason. You wanna help Daddy keep pulling sticks off? And maybe, Kason, maybe we can get in here and see what this is. You want to? Oh man. Kason, look at all these sticks, man. Are we about to get it? To where you can get to it? Hey, you want to help Daddy get a stick? Here. You get this stick. Pull this one. Help Daddy. Throw that one away.
That way?
Yeah. Here's another one. That's right. All right. Say. Oh man, here's a big stick.
Can I get me that stick?
Look, Kason. I found another note. Look, another note. It says, hey, look here. It says, I hope, Kason, that you like it. It is missing some parts, but maybe you can fix it. I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. Have you had fun today? Let's see if we can't get this thing out here and see if it runs. You want to? And see what parts is missing. All right, let's get it out to the trails. Kason, we've gotten it uncovered. It's got sticks all over it. It needs a good bath. It looks like the speedometer's missing. And the hood, we have no hood. And look at your lights. We have no lights up here. You think it'll go? You want to try it?
Yeah.
All right, let Daddy hook it up here. All right, hang on. All right, I got it hooked up. You see if it'll go. Take off, Kason. Oh man, it looks like it's gonna work. Oh man. Looks like we got another ride. Woohoo! Oh man, he climbed that dirt pile good. Heck yeah. You like the new ride?
Ow.
Backing up. Kason, what do you think about the new ride? Do you like it?
Ow.
Okay. What color is it?
Red.
Red. Just like your tractor and just like your shirt. Did we have a good Valentine's Day? Did you find candy and notes and a present?
My
And he found a red ride. That's right. Well, guys, I hope y'all's Valentine's Day goes as good as mine and Kaysen's has. And thanks for tuning in to episode number 25. And if you don't mind, watch us on YouTube. Tell them. Get them.
Mama too.
That's right. Now tell them bye, dude.